Keeping your toes neat and healthy is easier than you think. Trimming toenails the right way helps prevent ingrown nails and keeps your feet looking their best. Pair your trim with gentle cleaning, exfoliating, and moisturizing for fresh, smooth, beautiful feet. A little foot care goes a long way in feeling confident and comfortable every day. Proper toenail care is essential for maintaining healthy feet and preventing discomfort and infections. Trimming toenails correctly straight across, not too short, and without rounding the corners helps avoid painful ingrown toenails. Regular foot cleaning and proper treatment for dryness, fungal concerns, or irritation keep the skin protected and comfortable. With the right technique and consistent care, your feet can stay clean, healthy, and pain-free. Toenails can become thick, painful, or infected without proper care. Safe trimming techniques help reduce pressure on the nails and prevent ingrown toenails, while regular cleaning lowers the risk of fungal problems. If you notice redness, swelling, or repeated nail issues, or if you have diabetes, a foot care specialist can provide treatment to protect your overall foot health. Healthy nails are an important part of staying active and mobile.